Okay, here comes Sam's bus. We'll be taken to the Wilderness Lodge. I'll hold that real quick. I'll set them up. There you go. Okay. To the bus to get back from dinner. Yay. They gotta get off first and then Tammy will get on. Alright. Oh, that bus is loud, Sam. Say, look out, Mom, it's gonna hurt your ears. There he goes, loading him up. All right. Okay. Mom sliding. Okay.
Sit, baby.
Sorry. So what's his name? Jose?
Jose.
Okay. Jose. Jose, strapping you in, bud. So now you know.
All rolling around on his bus.
Yep.
He wouldn't like that.
Jose says no bouncing. Okay. He's got you all strapped in, ready to go, buddy.
Which hotel are you going, guys?
Lodge, yep. Thank you, Jose. All right, Sam, we'll see you when we take you back off. Rodriguez getting Tammy off. Yep. Yeah, where the sign up is, yeah. You'll see some cabins. Yeah. All right, whee! Look at you. Okay. Now we're gonna go see some DVC cabins that they have here that we've always wanted to see. I'll wrap up our day. We're wrapping up the day.
Moo.
Sam's already mooing.
Cool.
Sam, you're a nut job.
Did you like seeing the cabin?
Man, what'd you think of the cabin, buddy? Could you stay in there? Especially that one when you get your own bedroom?
Yeah. He liked
You and Carrie would hang out?
Left the bed in the wall.
Yeah.
Chip and Dale.
Yeah. You've had quite the day, bud. Okay. On that note.